Friends, sometimes the kids will start playing with our air conditioner remote and they'll end up messing the temperature function something like this, and your AC will go into the Fahrenheit mode. This causes a problem with us because we are generally accustomed to using the AC temperature control in degrees Celsius. So today in this video we are going to take a look at how to correct this problem. Plus, if you are a kind of person who loves to actually use this AC in the Fahrenheit mode, then there might be a hidden benefit for you. What is it? I'll tell you through the course of this video. Just stay with me. First, let's take care of this problem and convert this remote back to the degree Celsius option. So what we have to do is, here is the set button and we are going to long press this option for around 4 to 5 seconds, and now we can see that the display on the remote is back to 25 degree Celsius. If you are a kind of person who actually wants to use the degree Fahrenheit option, then again we can long press on this particular set button and the display on remote will change back to Fahrenheit. Currently it is showing 78 degree Fahrenheit, and yes, keep in mind that this change will only apply on the remote display and your air conditioner digital display is going to stay with the degree Celsius mode regardless of whatever you set over here. So that thing will always show the information in degrees Celsius. So let's come back to the benefit which might be present when using the AC remote in Fahrenheit option. Now, as you can see, currently the AC is set at 25 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to slowly increase the temperature using the plus button over here, and you guys pay attention to the beeping sound. So here it is 25. Now let's press it. That is 26. That is 26 and half. Yes guys, let's press it again, and now it is 27. So what this Fahrenheit option does is that it allows you to adjust the AC temperature very finely using steps of 0.5 degrees. All right guys, this was the Samsung Windfree 1.5 ton, and along with this particular model, bunch of affiliate buying links for you in the description or in the first comment below. To buy the latest AC this year, make sure to check out the description once. And guys, if you want to learn something new with respect to air conditioners and their remote controls, then a bunch of icons will be popping up on your screen right now. You can click on any of them and learn some new today. Take care and have a nice day, guys.